Values returned out of a function are used by calling the function. You can use the function call directly as the value it returns, or capture the returned value in a variable. This way, you can use the value assigned to a locally scoped variable outside the function it was created in. So we have an example of code here. A function named getName, and inside of it are variable name with an assigned value string, which is the cat, and then we returned the variable. So we then logged out and then we then logged the function getName, which has a string value cat. So it would log here. It would log the string cat. And then we had created a variable captured return value with the keyword const, then assigned it to a function called getName again. So again, getName has this. We then logged the variable captured return value with a function call which has a string value cat, and so it would log the cat. However, we then logged a variable name, which is a local scoped variable inside the getName, and then we logged it outside of it. It would have a reference error because it is inside here. And the name is only a local scope from within the getName itself only. It is not a global scope. So anyways, to use your testing value, return it out of the padRow function by updating your return statement to return only the test variable. Okay, so let's get rid of this, exchange it with test. Nice.